Metro train runs at a speed of 40 km per hour from station A to station B, covering a distance of 30 km. It stops at 5 stations in between for 5 minutes at each station. What is the average speed of the train from A to B? Here, a train travels 30 km distance at a speed of 40 km per hour, and this train stops at 5 stations while traveling this 30 km, and train takes 5 minutes stoppage time at each station. That means here time taken to travel is equal to distance divided by speed is equal to 30 by 40, that is 3 by 4 hour. Also here stoppage time, train stops at 5 stations, so total stoppage time is equal to 5 into 5, 25 minutes. So 25 by 60 is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 12s are 60. So 5 by 12 hour. That means average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. That is equal to total distance 30 km and total time is equal to 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12. 3 by 4 hour plus 5 by 12. That is equal to 30 divided by 3 into 12, 36, 5 into 4, 20. That is 56 divided by 48. So 30 into 48 divided by 56. 8 7s are 56, 8 6 are 48. So 180 divided by 7 is equal to 180 divided by 7 is equal to 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49. So option B, 25.7 is your answer.